we will analyze the XCN coin, which has recently prepared for the attack. The possibility of XCN Coin being listed on Binance is among the most curious topics for those who hold XCN Coin. So, does XCN have a chance to be added to Binance? First of all, there are some important criteria that Binance takes into account to list a coin or token market volume and liquidity. Major exchanges favor projects with high trading volume. Strong community, XCN's large user base and active community could be an advantage. Technology and use case. XCN has a better chance of being listed if it offers a robust infrastructure and real use cases. Regulatory compliance. Binance prioritizes projects with high regulatory compliance. At the moment, there is no official announcement from Binance, but as XCN's development and adoption rate increases, the chances of a listing may increase. Binance has listed many projects in the past according to certain criteria. If XCN Coin is listed, I will analyze where the price can go in a moment, so stay tuned. And as you can see at the bottom, it's listed on almost all the major exchanges. It's even listed on Coinbase. And when a project is listed on a major exchange like Coinbase, it shows that it meets certain criteria and is trustworthy. This could increase the likelihood that Binance will also list XCN. Typically, major exchanges are on the radar of high-volume projects that are listed on other trusted exchanges. While there is currently no official announcement from Binance, XCN Coin's rapid development and increased market adoption could significantly strengthen the chances of being listed on Binance. If the project team is in talks with Binance, a listing could come soon. Looking at the data on the top left, XCN Coin's market capitalization has reached $868 million. This is a very strong indicator. Also, the 24-hour trading volume is $180 million. For a coin that isn't listed on Binance, this kind of volume shows that the project is attracting strong interest and has a lot of potential. Large trading volume and high market capitalization are important criteria that Binance takes into account, which is a very positive metric. For example, when we look at QTUM coin listed on Binance, we see that it has a market capitalization of $340 million. In addition, its 24-hour trading volume is around $118 million. Even projects with lower values in terms of market capitalization and trading volume, such as QTUM, are listed on Binance. This shows that XCN Coin, with a market cap of $868 million and a 24-hour trading volume of $180 million, may have a very high potential to enter Binance. The second example, when we look at Onyxcoin, which is listed on Binance, we see that it has a market capitalization of $400 million. However, its 24-hour trading volume is only around $34 million. Remember, Binance volume is almost there. A few hours ago, XCN Coin's official Twitter account made an important post. According to this post, you can now connect your Ledger wallet with the Base network to securely use and trade your XCN coins. This is a very important development for the XCN Coin ecosystem. The integration of hardware wallets like Ledger allows investors to store and manage their assets more securely. Especially for large investors and long-term holders, such security-oriented integrations are a big advantage. I like this move by the team. In another important post from XCN Coin's official Twitter account, a new announcement was made regarding the Onyx ecosystem. Onyx announced that it will launch the Onyx Point system, which will be exclusive to XCN Ledger users. This new point system will be directly linked to future airdrops. This means that investors who use the Onyx blockchain and dApps running on Onyx will earn points and have the chance to benefit from various rewards or airdrops in the future. This is really great for the coin ecosystem. Now let's analyze how much the price will rise if Binance lists XCN Coin. First of all, we can see a clear downtrend on the XCN Coin chart. The price has been moving under the pressure of this trend line for a long time. If it manages to break this downtrend, a strong bullish wave could start. Retest immediately after breaking it, and it will be ready to take flight. And there is also an uptrend coming from the bottom. In its last move, the price reacted upwards with support from this rising trend line. This suggests that buyers are still strong, and the price could maintain its upward momentum. If the price maintains this uptrend, we could see a strong bullish move with a downtrend breakout. There's a strong bullish order block in the down zone. This is a critical area where big buyers are concentrated and the price may find support. If the price retraces, it may get a strong reaction if it touches this order block and start an upward movement again. Buys from this level can help the price to maintain the uptrend and break the downtrend. it is useful to follow on the chart. There is a bear order block at the top, which represents the zone of strong sellers. At this level, the number of selling traders increases, which may cause the price to fall. If the price approaches it, selling pressure is likely to increase, and a strong pullback is likely. The bearish order block usually acts as a barrier trying to stop the upward movement of the price. In this shadow, sellers will want to sell. According to Elliott wave theory, XCN Coin has now completed the first and second waves. Now we are facing the potential for a third wave, which is usually the strongest and most violent bullish wave. The third wave should reach a minimum Fibonacci level of 1,618, as this is considered one of the minimum major target levels, according to Elliott theory. After the second wave, the third wave comes at once. Looking at the chart from a wide angle, we see that an inverted shoulder head and shoulders pattern has formed. This pattern is considered a strong bullish signal in technical analysis and is often the beginning of trend reversals. The target of the pattern is the depth of the head of the pattern. More importantly, the target level of this pattern coincides exactly with the minimum Fibonacci level of 1,618 of the third wave, determined according to the Elliott wave theory. This provides an extra confirmation in terms of technical analysis, strengthening the likelihood of the third wave materializing. When we look at the chart in detail, we see that after each sharp drop, the price quickly recovers and makes a strong rise. This shows that declines in XCN Coin are usually considered as buying opportunities and buyers are active in the market. Especially when looking at past movements, the price has reacted strongly every time it has experienced a big drop and started an upward movement. This suggests that XCN Coin usually recovers quickly and finds strong support after deep corrections, suggesting that buyers are strong in the long term. Looking at the Bollinger Band indicator, we see that price last reached the upper band level and experienced a pullback from there. This suggests that when price touched the upper band, it met resistance and entered a correction. Now, the price has reacted by touching the middle band. The middle band usually works as a dynamic support or resistance. If the price manages to break it, the decline could deepen and we could see a pullback to the lower band. It's currently supported by the middle band, no problem. Looking at the MACD indicator, the last time there was a lower crossover, the price moved upwards after this crossover. This is considered a signal that a positive momentum is building and buyers are entering the market. Now, the MACD line and the signal line are close to each other. If the MACD doesn't make a downside crossover and stays in the positive zone, the uptrend will continue at a fast pace. Looking at the RSI indicator, we see that a downtrend has formed in the past, and this trend has been broken. This break could be a strong indication that momentum is starting to shift to the upside. Right now, the RSI is doing a retest back to the broken trend line. If it gets support from this area and reacts upwards, the RSI will continue to rise along with the price. The Vortex indicator has two lines, blue and red. When the blue line is on top, it means that bullishness prevails and buying power is increasing. This indicates that traders tend to enter the market. At the moment, the blue line is at the top, and if it can move even higher, the bullishness will intensify. Looking at the price action, it seems that it last tried to break above the 200 EMA but failed to hold there and move back below it. This suggests that the 200 EMA is currently working as a strong resistance zone. If the price can break above the 200 EMA again and hold above it, this will be a strong signal that the trend is starting to change to the upside so that we can see a big rise. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.